Hello everyone, welcome back to the course of SAP BODS. Till now we learned how you can read the data from a flat file using data services, how you can write the data into a flat file using BODS, how you can read a data from an Excel file as a source. What if you have your source as an XML? How to read the data from an XML file? To read the data from an XML file, you need to have your structure created first. XML file has two structures, DTD and XSD. In this session, I'll be teaching you how you can load the data from an XML file which has structure DTD. Let me show you my XML file first. This is how my XML file looks like. Let me show you the structure, the DTD structure. This is what the structure of my XML file. To create the structure, you go to formats, you go to nested schema, right click, click new and DTD. XML schema, if you select this, then you have to give XSD as your structure. I'll be giving DTD. So let's select DTD. The structure name, the DTD file name. Root element means the primary element. Let me show you what is my primary element. First element will be my primary element. In my case, it is note. You go back and select note. Okay. I have created the structure. I have designed a job underscore source underscore XML inside which I have my data flow XML underscore DF. Let's call our structure. Make it as a file source, not make it as a message source, because if you make it as a message source, it means you are creating a real-time job. Let's do 1:1 mapping. My structure is a nested one, and to load the data in a table, I need to unnest it. So how to unnest a nested structure? Select your structure, do unnest. The same way, do it for others. Let's do 1:1 map. Let's load the data in a template table. But I need to specify my file that aligns with this structure. I have my file as note. Enable validation. Once you select this checkbox, data services will validate whether your source file is complied with the structure that you have created. Let's validate and trigger the job. No errors are found. Let's trigger the job. Job is completed successfully. Let's go and check the data. So here I have XML NS. This is empty. Why? Because namespace, it doesn't have any records. If you want, you can eliminate these fields and re-execute your job. I'll show you how to eliminate these fields. Let's re-execute our job. Let's check our data. If you refresh it, your data would be something like this. It's not properly aligned. So it's better you close the window and reopen it. Here you have your data, which was present in my XML source. So now you are familiar with how you can read the data from an XML file. If you want to load the data into an XML file, then you have a functionality of nested schema template. Using this, you can create an XML file as a target. So that's it for this session. Hope you like this. In case if you have time, do join me in the next session. Thank you.